How's it going, everyone? Mike here, September 22nd. Merch by Amazon sales update. It's been going really well. There was a bit of a scare the last couple of days. I think the last update video that I did was 2 or 3 days ago, and it was still early in the morning, so I didn't know how the day would end. But there were 2 days where I dropped below 10 sales a day in the US. As you can see, it was Sunday and Monday with the 9 and 7, and then it bounced back yesterday. I'm recording this on the 22nd, and here's the I guess the funny and the good part. It is not even 10 a.m. in the morning, and I'm already up to 9 sales, as you can see here. Actually 10 sales if we're looking at overall sales, Italy included. So I was actually thinking about doing a video yesterday because I had talked to a few people who said that their sales have actually been slowing down, and it's been the opposite of what's been happening to me, where my sales are just increasing, and there's like this was the only spike, and then it looks like there's an uptrend right now. But again, the thing that worries me, and I guess has kind of like worried me for a bit, is that look at this, 50%. In this case, it's like 90%, but again, it's still early. But by the end of the day, it averages out to 50% of my total sales are thanks to one product, and that's the product that's kind of slowly taking off. I don't know if it's taking off, if it's plateaued right now, but it definitely, the sales have increased. So taking that into consideration, a bit of a dip, and then now there's a bounce back. I'm not so worried because the month overall is just great. Look at this number, 260 sales. Let's look at so I'm about to crack probably today $5,000 in sales, and royalties just in the US are over $1,100, so $1,103.15. So that is amazing, right? But look, this is what I was talking about. Of the 260, 140 are one product, and these 28 are actually same design. Oh no, it's not. My bad. There's this is the one. Six sales is the same design, but a long sleeve T-shirt. These are the other best sellers. So that's kind of where I am today. I'll quickly show this here, not this, but this one, because a couple of days ago I was talking about how this month, and I didn't want to be too kind of optimistic, too cocky. I was saying that if the sales were to continue, this is going to be the best month since, as you can see here, I'm already at 260, and November of 2020 was 264. When it comes to the number of sales, I've already beat the month in royalties, so that's good. But this is actually turning out to be the best month since, and let's keep scrolling back, which is, wow, really nice. If we're not taking March 2019 into consideration, then it's like Q4 and January of 2019. So pretty much the end of 2018. Like, that's how far back I'm going with my account, because look at this, like, slump, this dip, and then of course COVID, and then things never got back, and then things have just slowly been improving. So this is turning out to be the best month since late 2018 and early 2019. So that's where I am, and it feels really good. Let's look at the overall sales, 297, and you can see the royalties here. So I think I've cracked, if I do the math kind of quickly, $1,200 in royalties if we do the conversions and everything. But that's really good for 21 days, and I guess I can't say 22 because, like I said, not even 10 in the morning, and 9 sales or 10 sales already. So overall, things are amazing. Absolutely nothing to say. I fully kind of expect this to I guess continue into Q4, and not because of this one product, but just overall sales. That's kind of what I'm expecting. But then I'm already kind of thinking and getting scared about January and February of 2022. Like I know how it sounds, like I'm already thinking 5-6 months ahead, But that's what's gonna kind of keep me going, and gonna keep me busy, because look at this. Like I said, not even 10 o'clock in the morning, and I'm already uploading designs. I've been hitting 800 a day for, I don't even know how long now that we've had this new system. So since day one, I don't think I've ever missed a day unless I had software issues or had something that happened. But my goal has been to hit 800 a day. Now I'm not uploading a crazy number of designs. My average number of designs is like 15 to 30 to 40. Sometimes I would say it's rare to go 50 a day, definitely not, which means that I'm listing to at least 40 to 50 products each day. So this number is going up slowly, but this number is actually increasing pretty rapidly. So I don't know what the secret here is. Should I be just simply pumping out standard t-shirts and getting my live number of designs to 20,000, or should I just continue and think about the long-term here, long-term strategy, long-term gain? I don't know. Either way, things are pretty amazing. This number here, this feels good. Like I said, $5,000 in sales already. That's it. I hope you guys are doing well. Let me know. I never ask you guys in the comments, but let me know what tier you're at. How many sales you're getting, just so people can compare. I'm curious. Anyways, thanks. I'll see you guys soon.